excellence and efficiency, a combination of tradition and innovation. Solmex Company was founded in 2015 and ever since provides superb service in the maintenance and rehabilitation of water supply, drainage, and sewer systems. We work diligently on the education of our employees, implementation of modern technologies, and maintaining of highest business standards. The quality of our services is recognized by our customers and confirmed through the most important certificates in our field: ISO 17025, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001.
Solmex provides complete service to our customers in the field of water and sewer networks, which includes services of expert technical testing in our laboratory services and maintenance and rehabilitation of vital drainage and water systems by using cutting-edge equipment and technologies available on the market. The crown of our business is the new UV-SIP method we have just introduced in sewer trenchless rehabilitations.
UV-CIPP technology for sewer rehabilitation is an innovative development that fully implements a new service in the Solmex Company, trenchless rehabilitation of sewage systems offered on the Croatian market for the first time. This exceptional service enables our clients to act fast when sewer system rehabilitation is needed, cost-effectively, and with minimal impact on the local community. The old damaged pipes are renewed with high-quality glass fiber liners, ensuring water tightness, operational functionality, and stability for the next 50 years. The high-quality materials ensure resistance to wear and tear in the most difficult operating conditions of urban communities and different industrial environments. Last but not least, this method significantly reduces environmental impact compared to traditional hot water or steam CIPP rehabilitation. This project would not be possible without the help and support of our valued partner, Innovation Norway, which recognized and supported our business idea within the Business Development and Innovation Croatia program.
We are especially grateful for the honest and professional approach from the Innovation Norway. This project opened a new perspective on the growth of our company and strengthening our position on the market. So once again, I have to express my gratitude to Innovation Norway for making the Business Development and Innovation program in Croatia available for our company.